intra-ethnic marriage. At the end of this lesson, you're going to learn what ethnic groups are, the meaning of intra-ethnic marriage, and you're going to see some examples of intra-ethnic marriage. Nigeria is made up of different regions. We have the North Central region, that is the part in blue, made up of Naija, Kwara, Abuja, Nasarawa, Benue, and Kogi. And you have the Northeast region, made up of Yobe, Borno, Gombe, Bauchi, Adamawa, Taraba. And we have the Northwest region. The Northwest region is made up of Kebbi, Sokoto, Zamfara, Katsina, Jigawa, Kano, and Kaduna. All these areas are the people in Nigeria that we call the Hausas. They are the northern part of Nigeria, the Hausa people. And in the southeast, we have Enugu, Ebonyi, Anambra, Imo, Abia State. These are the Igbos. And we come down this way, we have the south region, made up of Edo, Delta, Bayelsa, Rivers, Akwa Ibom, and Cross River states. And over here, the southwest region, we have Oyo, Ogun, Lagos, Osun, Ekiti, and Ondo state. These are the people we call the Yorubas. Nigeria is home to over 250 ethnic groups. Each ethnic group has its own unique language, its own traditions, and its own customs. And we have a lot of them, like I've said, but the major ones in Nigeria are the Hausa, the Igbo, and the Yoruba. What is an ethnic group? An ethnic group is a group of people who share the same culture. They live in the same area, like we saw in the map. They live in the same area, they speak the same language, they eat the same food, they wear the same kinds of clothes. And Nigeria is rich in ethnic groups, over 250 ethnic groups. We have the Idoma, we have the Efik, there is the Shekiri there. We have a lot of them, but the major ones, the prominent ones we have are the Igbo, Hausa, and the Yoruba. Now, what is an intra-ethnic marriage? It is the marriage or the union between a man and a woman who are from the same ethnic group. Can you give some examples with your knowledge of what ethnic groups are? Let's take a look. One example right here is an Igbo man who marries an Igbo woman. An Igbo man might be from Anambra or from Enugu and marries a woman from Abia State, from Umuahia in Abia State. That is an intra-ethnic marriage. They are from the same region. They are from the same ethnic group. We have a Yoruba man who marries a Yoruba woman. This is an intra-ethnic marriage because they speak the same language, they have the same food, they eat the same food, they dress the same way, they have the same beliefs, culture. This is an intra-ethnic marriage. And then we have an Hausa man who marries an Hausa woman. This is also an intra-ethnic marriage because the Hausa man could be from Kano State and the Hausa woman could be from Kaduna or from Jos, and they get married. They have the same language, they share the same kind of food, they dress the same kind of way. That is an intra-ethnic marriage. So, in summary, in this video, you have learned that an intra-ethnic marriage is a marriage that is between a man and a woman from the same ethnic group. Please like this video, give it a thumbs up, share the channel, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already so that you will be notified when the next video is posted. In the next lesson, we're going to be looking at the advantages and disadvantages of intra-ethnic marriage. See you in the next video. Bye.